Alright, hello everyone, it's Just listening to again, and today I've got a new treat. Yes, we got a new phone. It's the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. And I don't know, it's the first phone we bought that is not a Samsung phone, so that's surprising, isn't it? Anyway, we just look at the sides. We've got Huawei design here. Focus, for God's sake. Right, Huawei design. The other side is the same thing. Yeah, back we just got some stuff, and we're just gonna cut this, yes, smoothly. Alright, and then just look at it, this. Alright, such weird packaging. So, first, what we'll pull out here is the phone itself. We're gonna put it on the side later on to take off the you know the whatever it's called, the what's around it. And here we've got the rest of the packaging. We've got the SIM card key slot thingy. We've got more stuff here. I'm gonna keep the card opener here because, come on, it's safer. So we've got, hold on. This is a pair of headphones, headphones that I hate already. Just looking at the shape of the ear cups, like, god damn. I understand it's cheap, but still. Those micro USB or USB-C, I can't discern it. Hold on. Yeah, it's definitely micro USB to USB. Not that bad. And we have the charger itself. We've got 100 to 100 to 240 volts. Not bad. I mean, I think that's the output or something. Is there more? Nah, that's just plastic, I guess, or cardboard or whatever. What's more? Oh, it opens from here. And what we've got is quick start guides. Yay! Quick start guides. It's, oh, and by the way, why do people think it's big? It's big because it has a lot of languages in it. This has to be international, this. And there's a warranty card. We don't care about that now. And what is this surprise? We have a case, a plastic case already. How thoughtful. And I guess that's everything in the box. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to peel it off. We got information and some no micro SIMs! Nano SIMs only, alright? Volume buttons, power button. Pretty simple stuff. Alright, let's peel it off. That's why I do it. Hold on. Yeah, that's definitely how I do it. Alright. That wasn't the most majestic, but hey, it's nice. Oh my god, this feels so nice for such a cheap phone. And look at it, if you look at it, like, it looks really damn clean. And we've got some sort of stickers on the back. We don't care much about that. I'm gonna remove them soon, don't worry. And we've got the fingerprint sensor, we've got the dual cameras, we've got the flash. We've got the microphone, I think. We've got the volume button, we've got the power button. We've got the speaker grills, the USB. Here's the micro USB, and are those? No, those are screws. I think there's another microphone, but I'm not sure. This 3.5mm headphone jack. This is the nano SIM and the micro SD holder. And that's pretty much it. And now I'm going to try to turn it on. Nice. Actually, I'm going to take them off here. I'm going to put on the case because it looks better in the case. Nah, actually, you know what? No, not yet. So, it's still booting up. I like this animation. Software buttons, ooh, so unique, haha, no. Of course, we got Emotion UI, no shtick. Now, I'm not going to go through the setup here because, frankly, I've got no time, and it's just the unboxing anyway. So, thanks for watching, everyone. This was my unboxing of the Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ta!